When this company started 18 years ago, it was only a seed of an idea. An idea to challenge myself to share a part in the FMCG industry. I wanted to create a legacy reinforcing one another and an organization creating a story of new mindsets. But when an idea takes root here in the hearts and mind of the people who believe in it, it will grow. And so we have, even in the harshest of conditions, even though a global pandemic, even when others in the same climate struggle to survive, we thrive, stretching upwards toward the sun, showing the world our beauty, showing the world that we were born to bloom. And now, the first seed of an idea continues to grow as we expand our roots, covering new grounds in local and in global markets. We adopt, we evolve, we pioneer, welcoming technological advances and expanding our portfolio, and we diversify our companies. And every new seed that takes hold offers up new opportunities. And as the vision that was once planted in our hearts blossoms before us, we no longer see a single flower growing in a harsh landscape, but a world of our own making coming to life with infinite possibilities.